I like the way that you're standing up. I like the way you're standing up. I like the way, so now do I want you sitting or do I want you standing up? I like the way you're standing up. I like the way you're standing up. And during the workshop, we're going to go into my behavior modification program, which is the opposite of what we typically do. Did I tell anybody to stand up?
No.
Did I give any commands or instructions?
No.
But did I give hints as what I want you to do and you understood? Right? Because humans don't like to be told what to do. Imagine you're having a conversation with your significant other and they look at you and they say, relax. You immediately go, right? And they say, take a breath, you'll feel better. And what do? Okay, honey, and you calm down. Is that what? No, you do the opposite. But then you have a little kid in your class or in your house, and the little kid's going, and doing the fake crying that turns into real crying, and you're like, relax, calm down, take a breath, there's an inspection coming, relax, calm down, right? Yeah. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.